Hi all, welcome to Great Online Training. This is Kavya. In today's class, we are going to discuss about the base SAS certification, question number 54. And the question is, in proc means, which option would you use to suppress the printing of the n, mean and standard deviation, minimum and maximum statistics in the output, and fill in the blank. Proc means data is equals to dataset underscore name blank and the run statement. To suppress the statistics in the proc means statement, what we have to do is we can write the no print option. So by writing the no print option, the statistics will not be printed in the output window. So if you see here, we can write proc means data is equals to SAS help.class I am taking and run the program. So when we run the program, you can see the default statistics and mean, standard deviation, minimum and maximum are printed for the numeric variables. And now if we write the no print option here, no print, and now run the program, and now you can see there is no output printed in the output window. And next one, you can see the log. In the log, neither the print option nor a valid output statement has been given. So if we have given the print option or the output statement, then the statistics will get printed. So what the question we want is, what we have to do is, we want to just suppress the statistics, not to print in the output window. So we have to write the no print option here. Even we have written the output out and we have created a new data set, then also we will get printed the output in the output window. For example, if you see here, if I have written output out is equals to my underscore name or my name, and now run the program. Now you can see what happened. I have written the no print option. So now you can see the statistics were printed, and also the output out I have created, my name was also created, and that's the difference. So we can write the no print option to suppress the statistics which are given here, and mean, standard deviation, minimum and maximum in the output window, and the answer is no print. So if you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. Subscribe to the Great Online Training channel for more videos and also for the more SAS tips. And thank you guys, thank you for watching.